I think this bread's stiff. Whew, that was close. Don't throw stale bread out around here. Hey guys, welcome to Big Daddy's Little Kitchen. You guessed it, I'm Big Daddy and this is my little kitchen. Today I'm making a recipe the French call Pain Perdu. The Brits, they know it as Eggy Bread, and here in the US, we call it French toast. But no matter what you call it, this stuff's the bomb, so stick around, because we're making it up next. Ooh la la, let's start with 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and a tablespoon of sugar. Add a half a cup of cold milk. You guys know what I'm talking about, so don't act like you don't. The next thing we're going to put in here is a tablespoon of vanilla and 3 eggs. Any order you want, but make sure you keep whisking until the stuff's incorporated. And I mean whisk it good. Keep going. That's it. Now grab that bread like you mean it and start slicing like Joe Pacini's fingers. You know what I'm talking about. There you go. Keep going. Off. Do another one. This is the guy that owed you $2 down the street. There you go. Now chase him around the bowl. That's it. You know how you run after these guys down the alley. You got him. Put him over the hot stove. You'll get him talking now. That's it. Pop a little butter and grease this guy up. Oh! Yeah, you lay him in that pan. There you go. Keep them in there a second. They'll start talking. That's it. You know when these ones are ready. Done. Like that. Be careful not to go too quick. Ah, a surprise. Yeah, that's it. Put it back down. You'll let the cat out of the bag on that one. He's ready. Into the plate they go. Just like that. Just like so. You know how we do it. There it is. Pop it in. Pop it out. Bada boom, bada bing. You got the toast on the plate. And don't forget this step. It's important. Ha! I can already taste it. That's it. The maple syrup over the hot butter. If you don't do it like this, you've messed it up. And heaven will never reach your plate. Slowly, and I mean slowly until you're bumping your bread. That's it. You got it. Don't forget that step. It's important. Now give it a little sift. A little more. You want to pop some sugar on this. That's right. Because powdered sugar is love. And without fresh berries, you got nothing. And I mean nothing. So throw them berries on that plate. That's it. Come on. Like you mean it. There you go. A little more love. Don't forget this, because this is heaven. And there you have it. Until next time, we meet again. Bon appetit, my friends.